In this video, we'll show you how to redeem an access code and enroll in your training. An access code is a pre-purchased credit that an employer can provide to an employee for course enrollment. We'll guide you through entering your code and starting your class quickly and easily. Let's get started. Before we dive into the redemption process, it's important to understand what an access code is. An access code is a unique code provided by your employer that serves as a prepaid credit for a specific course. Instead of paying out of pocket, you simply enter this code to enroll. Think of it as a voucher your employer has already purchased on your behalf. Once you have your access code ready, you can proceed to the next step. When you're ready to redeem your access code, open your browser and go to LIQUORexam.com. On the homepage, you'll see a blue section titled Have a Prepaid Access Code. Type your code into the Enter Code Here field and click Submit. This will enroll you in your course without any payment steps. Another way to use your access code is to select your course manually. Start by choosing your state from the drop-down menu at the top of the course catalog. Browse the available courses and click the Enroll Now button for the one assigned by your employer. This will add the course to your cart and begin the checkout process. On the next page, you'll be able to enter your access code. On the checkout page, look for the blue link that says Have an Access Code or Discount Code. Click it to expand the section. In the Access Code field, enter the code provided by your employer and click Submit. After you apply your access code, the system will prompt you to complete your registration. Once you've finished registering, your account will be created and your course will appear in your profile under the My Courses tab. Now you've learned how to use an access code on LIQUORexam.com. Thank you for choosing LIQUORexam.com for your hospitality compliance training needs. We're proud to support you and your team in building knowledge, confidence, and compliance in the workplace. From all of us at LIQUORexam.com, best of luck in your career. And remember, we're always here when you need us.